This is a heat and phase change question, and we're going to be vaporizing water at 100 degrees C. We want to know calories, so the value that's going to be relevant to us is the heat of vaporization given in calories per gram. So we simply start with delta H is going to be equal to our 72 grams, and we multiply by 539.5 calories per gram. Our calculator answer, 38844 joules. Now we worry about the sig figs. We look at all the numbers that go into our answer. 3 sig figs, 4 sig figs. So we want 3 sig figs in our answer. We're going to have to use scientific notation. This is 3.8844 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4th power. Now we can round off to 3 sig figs. We end up rounding down 3.88 times 10 to the 4th joules. And that is our final answer.